welcome to my channel. As you can see, I've got a Rue Lala package. Have not done an unboxing in a while, so we are going to see what I got in my latest Rue Lala haul. Are you hanging out with me, Presley, or are you gonna leave me? So, first thing we're gonna do is take a look at the charms that came in. I will let Mrs. do the...
Ooh, this charm looks beautiful.
It looks beautiful? What is it?
A snowflake one.
It is a snowflake one. Can I see it? Let's take a look at it, okay? Okay, so when I was in Vegas and they had the tower event, I got one of the snowflake charms. So I was like, okay, I know that Rue Lala often has this snowflake, so I got this to match it for, I don't know, all of a sudden it's cold where I live, so maybe I could use it now. What is that one, Presley?
It's a bow one. I don't know what I think.
You don't know what you think?
No. I don't know what is inside this one.
Can I see?
Let me open it.
Okay, go ahead and open it. I'm gonna open up the next one while you open up the bow one, okay?
The bow one.
Yeah. Okay, so there's this one, which is called Love Lines. This one, I believe I'm going to be using for my my next bracelet. It's all about that little kiddo right there.
I'm gonna go get it.
Oh, did you drop it?
Yeah, I'm gonna go get it.
Okay. I really like the rainbow theme that's going to be coming out in the spring, and I like their heart that has like the colored little pastel hearts on it, so I thought that, hey, this might complement it well. I've never seen this one in person, and it is really pretty and sparkly. Alright, I'm going to keep these out of the bag so I know what we've done. Did you find it, Presley? I have wanted this clip for quite some time with the little like rope look of the 14 karat gold heart.
I give one to you.
Oh, this looks so shiny.
Do that one?
So I got this. You want to take a look at that one?
Yeah.
Okay. So the perfect gift charm I'm also considering for my next daughter-inspired bracelet, just because it's really girly. And she is my perfect gift. So there's this one too. This one was called, what was this one called? This one always is in my cart and I always kind of don't get it just because I haven't known exactly which home it's going to go to, but I got it because this was on like the latest like 60% off.
I think we have the same one.
We do have the same one.
And we can put both of these on our both necklace. Me get one and you get one.
Oh, I like that idea. What do you have in that one?
It's another one for my bracelet. Oh, it just fell down on me.
Okay.
Because I opened this one and I opened this one. It's not the same one.
It's not the same one?
It's a heart one.
Ooh, I'm excited for the heart one.
I'm excited to show you how I can tell about them.
You're excited to show it to me?
Yeah.
Okay. So the Bound by Love charm has been one that I've wanted to, and so
I'll go get that one.
Okay, go get that one.
I'm gonna do this so I can go underwater.
Is that your fishy face? Okay, go underwater to go get it.
The butterfly charm, and I like butterflies, and it's about butterflies. Well, this butterfly charm looks beautiful, and think I love it, and I think I like butterflies. They cover up their wings.
They do. Does that butterfly have sparkles?
No,
Not really.
no, not really.
Can I see it?
No, yeah.
Thank you.
There's two
Here's
for
the
us.
Love Takes Flight charm.
These look like
Got a
nails.
little bit of sparkles. This will go on my Presley inspired
This
bracelet
looks
too.
like nails. Let me tell you about this one.
Tell me about that one.
This one maybe must be cute, but I like blowing kisses to Boo.
You like to blow kisses to Boo Boo? Is that what that charm reminds you of?
Yeah.
You know what? That charm is called Bound by Love, and that's going on our family bracelet. That's perfect that it reminds you of.
It's real.
We probably don't want to do that though. Let me take a look at it.
Let me tell you about it some more.
Okay, tell me about it some more.
Well, it maybe is cute, but about it, I give Boo kisses and I like blow Boo kisses and I give Boo kisses. Even about that is super cute about this.
It's a beautiful story. Thank you. All right, the Bound by Love charm that apparently reminds her of her Boo Boo. It's just this heart, which is going on the family thing. So I guess it's good. It reminds her of her Boo Boo. It's beautiful. Yep, I like that one a lot.
Minnie Mouse and Mickey Mouse, and this one reminds me of me, and this one reminds me of somebody else, and this one must be a heart.
Does any remind you of Mama?
Uh-huh.
Which one reminds you of Mama?
This one reminds you of my mommy, and this one reminds you of your phone. And this one reminds me of my phone.
They remind you of our phones?
Yeah.
That is silly stuff.
My two babies, when I looked at them, all I like.
Thank you guys for joining us on our fun Pandora haul. Again, clip. Love Takes Flight. I think it's called Roses. Hi, little frog. Love lines. Here you go, Froggy. And a little snowflake one. Oops.
I'm gonna look at this
So
one.
pretty. And
This looks
a
good.
perfect gift.
Beautiful.
Thank you for tuning in. I hope it wasn't too crazy with my little bossy child wanting to do the unboxing. Say bye, Presley.
Bye, guys. I did bye to them.
You did?
Oh.